You're on video now.
Okay. Well, I don't know where I am, and I don't know why I am here. But I think I was going to tell you something about a truck and a lorry.
No, you got to lift it. This is the lens. You got to hold it into the lens. Hang on.
Oh, I see.
No, that's all right. I'll bring it down.
No, I
Yeah.
can lift it up.
Yeah, that's all right. Yeah, so if you bring it up to your chin,
Yes.
like that. That's it. If you can bring it up to about there,
Yeah.
that's ideal.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
do it again. You're still videoing it, so.
Yeah. Well, I don't know where I am, and I don't know why I'm here. But I think I remember I was going to tell you something about a lorry. Well, hello everybody.